All right, nkwaseafo aha Ghana Sem TV. You best say move subscribe to the channel. No fama doing cerebral comment section. Ya me share nyina. Nkwaseafo. So ene yewra Titus Glover Echo UTV. Oka the way the NDC is running away from 24-hour economy because at to force him a ready budget. Want to me and fast that 24-hour economy no and share budget no. Na eno na presenter no bisa na say who catch Ghana forces say President John Dramani Mahama couldn't implement this 24-hour economy no because we're failing as a president. Say argument in Kofobisu argument and say President Nana Addo Dankwa free SHS now to me ye no. It is because President John Dramani Mahama to mean the niyama atu akwemuna Emma President John Dramani and Nana Addo Dankwa buy or to me the free SHS number. Ebuzia na isemna Honorable Titus Glover dear mama mino. Ebuzia enya semkitu. Uma enko na enkoti isemna every hoba na ye betos nyame shira ina.
Mama 24-hour economy. 24-hour economy. Okay. A major economic policy. And I'm not free. They've run away from that major policy.
How?
To the extent, budget. Please, 110 million. Buzitano Bekachra said they need $4 billion to drive.
I don't hear that to go.
What? That was the presentation he did in Parliament. They did $4 billion. Would the 110 million Ghana cedis. And you can't the man how do you drive it? 24-hour economy now cancel Formula 133. A Juma Baku. A Nipa Mienza. 3 shifts. I can see saying. And then nurses, the doctors. President Mama Doka said automatic posting. This budget is not going to absorb. President Mama. Also automatic postings, teachers, nurses. And then mutu ama mama so what the kotompo na baba ebe gitumia. This is how they pay you back. This is how they pay you back. Where is it? Ebium ozi den onwe yi touch all the yi levy den. Let me list the number of taxes what you best you also to watch the TV. Nedikan 8% levy on petroleum products, including 1% Dumso levy. 30 to 40% increase in all government fees and charges. 21.9% VAT on non-life insurance premium. Oma increase special import levy from 1% to 2% on CIF on selected imports. Increase in marine gas from 0.23 to 1 cedi 93 pesos. 7% increase in prices of locally manufactured plastic products. 17.2% increase in electricity. And then, Ukaya, under President Akufo-Addo 2017-2018, you reduce tax to PURC. Benchmark values, the Chemu imports 50%.
We are catching. Yeah, I feel besame question. Will be the question.
And yet in this further said, I make a tear me. 4% increase in water bills, 2% in growth and sustainability levy, extension of growth and sustainability levy from 2025 to 2023. When you hear tax amount best you also no, yeah, kasi. And then we call construction sector.
Okay.
You're less than 9.6%, and then swatting at about 2.9%. Industrial sector, you're German 7.1%, and now you're 3.6%. What can you bomwa? Now we be some who say budget and then and the young college bomwa. Send your catch because key juma jobs. After job somebody babano, you are restricting. No jim for and Kolano mu school no and she shed bang and a mumu juma on wire. Or see price of Swati. Last week Ganzana become budget no. One of this radio TV stations, Omokabusokan, ya car. Free here kwaboso kan odo so twika no go bisa ne say aboso kan for say sa budget no mo ka say afrobeat no ma ye no say yes so see the no against the dollar no and it's not reflecting in the prices at the market there.
afema me musa obibi baako so obi ka say ana say NDC for nkom ka so mahama wan no otutu ni ameye nti na president Kufuado then e baaye no otumi implement FSHS no from the get go na we no Kufuado baaye no okono na chinye nti na say 24 economy no enyama ya eche say fapem papa bia ni ho nti say aban ni dikan toto ansana fiti asi aboyi na no saying
all generation at the growth of 3.7% and no the generation the growth of the Kufuado is 3.7% or generation saying
and Kufuado suja echi saying man
5.7%.
Okay,
5.7%. The criminally manager president mama describe the economy no and no the jan 5. Nyama ye fumu ni 5.7%. Eye was and last year, women are buying public sector workers increase of 10%, and then we should more 9%. Hey, now President, I don't know, yes, 9%. I want to give you litany of incremental.
Litany we cannot.
I'm telling you,
can give some.
And then those from 2017, 2017, you're 12.5% minimum wage. 2018, 11%. 2019, 10%. 2020, 15%. 2021, you want a total of 19%. 2022, you want color, 15%. 2023, you want 30%. 2024, criminally managed economy now. President Mama say you the Jan no. You mahomu from January to June, 23%, and from July to December, 25%, and then woman 9%. This is what he's giving them, and the way and a Miami offer. My senior brother.
Yeah, ben a mama 2 or 5 and 6%.
But see, and then one, you can ask your people to check for you. From January to June, 23%. From July to December, 25%.
Okay.
And the moon checking a moon share, woman 9%. And I was young to you,
but
they are not. They should not accept it.
They have.
They should not accept.
This is the price we pay for the kind of politics we do in this country. And I think the current minority have a case, but they negotiated for a contract that clearly was far better than any contract we had in the sector. You condemn it. So how then do you turn around when you come into power to water down the fiscal terms? But let me also explain that the global lithium prices at the time we negotiated for the lease, this Atlantic lithium lease, are not what they are today. There's been a substantial price collapse, throwing into question the viability of the project. So if you don't actually revise the project downwards, that project will economically not be viable. So there is a case for the revision of the fiscal terms. But I think the minority thinks is payback time because of the politics you played around the earlier contract that we negotiated. But at the end of the day, we need to put Ghana first.
Yes, Ghana former, say Professor Jampo Dimo, as a man compania. Yenyamudie, yes, Ghana for, and penny for see you three home, as one can say 3 ye you born Ghana for, I fear dear, I'm a blessed akasa at least ye nyo baba kwa mna yede akasa eti ye twa Ghana for ma samo mo se na nyam de se Professor Jampo ye mo na nyam da se Professor Jampo di mo school mo na nyam da mo mra bonti be compreni mesi emre ni nie mo mra bonti be compreni anye sa dia mi hu oba bi owielego a na me hweri tutu ai oba owielego a waware a na me hweri tutu me who about owielego a wo uta results a na me hweri tutu because say what they akwaje and in addition what they akwaje eti Ghana former emre ni nie se mo be sori akompany the Professor Jampo de aya mo Ghana for and na ye nua ba ama bebre say akasa mmani age wo say a country bia we serious no wa appoint wo bi edidi nkran Professor Jampo say on be CEO yes wo say country bia we serious country no I wo dwe emma ye die ho no wa appoint obi de say Professor Jampo so me dey o me CEO say ko mesi ko ne ko hwe CEO mesi say ko office ko hwe enya mesi kunturu woje sunkum de wo de yankofo eti Ghana fo ma mesra mo nwere ne mun sorry ni yesi ye de ye mo say anyam ya ye nyam fa ye Professor Jampo kese aben what is way e pam no anya sade a me si ye ti aben what is way won timi pam no say omunya sa no mo ye omodu omunsa ka Professor Jampo say pre Professor Jampo be bodin omodu omunsa e ka Professor Jampo say pre Professor Jampo e be bo aben mu nkofo a wono mu di ma no be bo mu din and up to now obi anfa nsanka no e di Professor